Today's lesson is going to be all about angle addition. So for angle addition, your point B is in the middle of the, not in the middle, in between your angle. It's not exactly in the middle. Yesterday we did angle bisectors. What does an angle bisector do? It divides it right in half. So if I showed you this picture right here, could you find the angle bisector here? Which one would it be, and why, how do you know? No, give me letters. OC. Why is it OC? I can't. Because it perfectly divides it in the middle. Are you sure, or do you just think that?
Yeah, we have the measurements.
We have the measurements. What is 25 plus 35? 60. What is 10 plus 15 plus 35? Are you sure?
No.
It is. 35 plus 15 plus 10. Alright, so because of that, 60 on both sides, that's an angle bisector. Today we're not doing that. Today we're doing, well, what if it's not in the middle? What if I said, and I'm making this up, this is 48 and this is 52? How do you find the whole thing now? Because I don't know what each, yes, I just add them. They're not directly in the middle. It is 100. So you would add your AOB, your left one, plus BOC, the right one or the bottom one, and that's going to equal your whole angle. Where have we seen something like this before? The class lesson, but instead of angles, what were we doing? Segments. We were doing segments. Alright, so now we're doing, instead of segment addition like last unit, we're doing angle addition. It's the same process. So, I want you to do number 1. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Go. Label your picture. Marcella, can I call you out? Do you give me permission? You can say no.
Okay.
Are you sure? You have you can say no. You are allowed to say no. Y'all, you like the attention anyways.
No, I don't. Go ahead.
Please don't do this. Please draw me an angle.
I didn't know, bro. I didn't know.
He drew me an angle after I explained what I wanted, but please draw me don't draw me a picture on your test. Draw me, like, label your picture for me. Alright, so okay, it's AI did it. AOC is the whole thing. Now, y'all, the biggest mistake people make here is y'all aren't reading what I'm asking for, and y'all just think, oh, 35, 80, let me add them together. Is that what we needed to do here? No, read what it's saying. The whole thing is 80, the top part is 35. How do I find BOC? Subtract. What is 80 minus 35? 45 is going to give you points off. Degrees. Everybody put a degree. I know we're tired. I know it's Friday. I know we're exhausted. We're hungry because lunch is next. I need you to stay with me, please. Do I got any snacks? Maybe. I got snacks. We'll see. Alright. Let's see. What about number 2? Raise your hand if you think you can explain to the entire class how to do number 2.
I actually can't miss it. I actually got this really quick.
Okay, what do you think, Marcelo?
Okay, so DEG.
DEG?
D, E, and G is 145.
Okay.
And GEF is like, wait,
How do I figure it out? Hold on.
You have to add them together.
Well, what is it?
We don't know.
But what do I know?
Oh, we know that B plus E plus G is 145.
Okay, what else do I know?
Well, straight line is
And a straight line is 180.
I know that a straight line from here to here is 180 degrees. Write that down if you don't have it. And so what am I going to do here?
You're going to subtract 145.
35.
180, get 35.
And if you put 35, you'll get a point off.
Degrees.
35 degrees.
Y'all know how many people wrote just the number on that protractor question a second ago?
I'll make sure.
Okay. Number 3. What am I going to do? Number 3.
Oh, the same thing. But it's a right angle, so it will be 90.
It's a right angle, so it will be 90 degrees.
Tell me.
TRS, please label. TRS is 57 degrees. How do I find SRW?
Subtract 57 and the answer will be 33.
Degrees. Are we going to have something this easy on our test?
Yes. Hopefully.
If we do, it'll be like one question, 2 points, very quick, right?
Okay.
Okay? You are definitely going to have something like the next question. Are we ready? Xavier, you with me? Okay, did you write that down? You're lying. Write it down. Your thing's not even open. Okay. Ryan, you with me over there? Okay. Number 4. Number 4 says AOB is x plus 3. BOC is 5x minus 2. And AOC, the whole thing, is 91. And I'm going to put a degree sign right there because it should have a degree sign. Label your picture. Or if I gave you no picture, draw a picture. What is going to be my equation here? What do I know? Your part plus the part is going to equal the whole thing. How come I cannot make these two equal each other?
Because they're not the same.
They're not the same. Nowhere on here does it say bisects, so we don't know. Okay, how do I solve this?
Add.
X plus 5x is 3 plus negative 3. No, 3 plus negative 2 is. And I would like you to solve this on your own. Go.
Easy.
Min, you with me? You with me? Yep.
It's giving me a bunch of numbers.
Did you get that?
Huh? Yeah.
And then what?
Oh, it's, oh, hold up, what is it? Oh,
What do we get?
15.
Alright, somebody from that back corner over there. How do I find AOB? Substitute in what? 15 into x plus 3. And what is 15 plus 3? 18 degrees. Okay. Alright, you'll definitely see something like that. Is that doable?
Yes.
For sure. Can I move on?
Yes.
Okay. If you write really big on this next one, I would suggest you write a little bit smaller. Okay? Alright. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. I want you to label the picture and set up your equation. Go. Label the picture, set up your equation. Go. You don't got to solve anything yet. Label and set up.
Miss, are we allowed to ask questions?
Sure.
Is M lesser than BOC? Is it 50 degrees.
The measure of things with the EOC. That little M stands for measure.
Is it 50 degrees or is it?
Oh, it's degrees. Yes. Put a degrees right now. Okay. Look up, please. Did you label your picture right?
Yeah.
Can somebody from over here tell me, what did you get for your equation? Thank you. Is that what everybody in here got?
Yeah.
Did you all write it the same, or did anybody flip it around when they wrote it? It doesn't matter which way you write it. Yes. Oh, thank you, degrees. Okay, what do I do first? Combine like terms, so what did y'all combine? Those two? And what is negative 16 plus 50? Okay. Then what?
This is where it stopped.
This is where you stopped. Say it louder. I'm going to move everything over to which side?
To the right. No, to the left.
So last time we did to the right. This time we're going to do to the left. Why? We want that x squared to stay positive. So last time we moved it all to the 2x squared. Now we're moving it this way. So instead of negative 6x, what am I going to do? And instead of plus positive 70, language. What is that going to give me? And then remember, you got to combine these two things right here. What is 34 minus 70? You said what? Negative 36. I have to do what? Yeah, I have a 2x out front. So what should we check for? Is there a GCF here? Can I divide them all by anything?
Yeah.
What can I divide them all by? 2. Does anybody in here have a question? Not following? Need me to explain a step yet? Does it help that we've been doing warm-up problems like this all week?
Yes, but why did you choose to go to the left hand?
Because I wanted my x squared to stay positive. So over here, look at what we did for the warm-up. You see how the 2x squared was on the right? So I moved everything to it. Over here, my 2x squared is on the left, so I'm moving everything this way to it. Because you always want a positive x squared. If this would have been negative, then I would move it to the other side to make it positive. Yep. Any other questions?
No, man.
What now? Factor. What are my factors going to be? Don't forget that equals 0 with your factors. The only way to get x squared is... What are the factors of 18? 118, 2, 9, 3, and 6. Which one of these, if I add them together, oh, it's negative 18. With a negative, which one of these will turn out to be my middle number of 3? 2 plus 9? Or 2 minus 9? That's not why. Which one of these, when you add them, will give me 3? 3 and 6. And what do I got to do to make that positive 3? Negative 3. Do you agree negative 3 plus 6 gives me that middle number? So that is why it's the answer. Tutoring on Monday if you're still struggling with factoring. What are my x values going to be? X equals 3, x equals negative 6. So 3 and negative 6. Can I have a negative x?
Yeah.
Yes, you can. You just have to see what it answers, negative or positive.
Can I have a negative angle?
No.
No. But I can have a negative x.
Yeah.
But if my x gives me a negative number, then I can't have it. So, let's plug this in. We have 2x squared minus 16. So I'm going to plug in 3 squared minus 16. And then I'm going to plug in negative 6 squared minus 16. Okay, how do I do this? What do I do first? You have to do the exponent first. And the reason I'm explaining that, Marcelo, is because I don't want you to do 2 times 3, then square it. That's wrong. PEMDAS. You have to do the parentheses first. What is 3 squared?
9.
Times 2
Times 2, 18.
minus 16.
2.
So my answer is 2 degrees. Is that weird?
No.
But is that right?
Yep. No problem.
Not all.
Same thing. What is negative 6 squared?
Negative 6 squared.
36. Negative 6 times negative 6 is
30. Negative 30. No, 36.
36. Times 2?
Times 2. 50. 72.
72 minus, y'all use your calculators.
Uh,
Minus 16.
getting so excited.
Lift it up a little to the light.
Plus 6.
56. So my other answer is 56 degrees. Are they both positive? Then both of the x's work out for us. Okay? Yes. Let me let y'all, I'm going to do 2 examples and then we're going to go. 05.
Oh, 5?
Yep. No, you have 17 minutes. Okay. Can I change this?
Yes.
Are we okay? Marcelo, best behavior. Okay. How much do y'all love word problems?
I hate it.
So much? Okay. So, we're going to do these word problems together so you don't hate them anymore. An angle and its complement have a ratio of 4 to 5. Determine the 2 angle measures. Man, what do we think is the most important word in this sentence?
X.
Ratio is a good word, but it's not the most important word. Complement. Everybody underline the word complement. What does complement mean? Okay. Although you're right, I mean in math. What does complement in math
Like,
mean?
it's an additive. It's like something like, it's like,
90 degrees. Remember complementary angles we learned on Wednesday? Right, and remember that's right. So right angle is 90 degrees. Complementary angles are 90 degrees. When I say you have a complement, that means 2 angles that are 90 degrees. So I'm going to draw a picture of 2 90 degree angles. 2 angles that add up to 90 degrees. Okay, the other word I heard some of y'all say that was important was ratio. A ratio compares the 2. And if it has a ratio of 4 to 5, that means one of my angles is 4x and the other angle is 5x. If I were not to give you the word problem and only give you this picture, do you think that would have been easier?
Yeah.
For sure. But you need to be able to read and draw a picture from it. Does everybody in here understand how I took that word problem and created this picture? Complement is 90, 4 to 5 ratio, 4x, 5x. Can I create an equation?
Yeah.
What is it going to be, Nico?
4x plus 5x equals 90.
Perfect. And that should not say plus. Javier, are you with me over there? Okay. Okay. You're just super quiet today. 4x plus 5x equals 90. So, what do I do now? And what's 4x plus 5x? Don't distract him then. And what is x going to be? What is my smaller angle going to be? 4 times 10 is... And what is the other one going to be? So last period somebody asked me, they said, Miss Olivares, can I just add a 0 anytime you do a ratio and it gives me the answer?
No.
No. Because what if I had a ratio of 2 to 5? And they're complementary. If I have 20 and 50, does that add up to 90? No. So you cannot just add a 0. This one happened to be that way, but that's not always going to work. Okay? So just be careful. Can I move on from this problem? Do we feel okay about these? Word problems aren't the worst, are they? Not this one. Okay. Angle A is 5 more than twice the measure of angle B. If the sum of the angles is 119 degrees, find the measure of both angles. Do you agree we have angle A and angle B? We have 2 angles, angle A and angle B. What do we know about angle A? What is 5 more than? Plus 5. And what is twice the measure of angle B? 2x. So what's my equation going to be for angle A? Or 5 plus 2x, either one's fine. Why is the bottom just x? You said it's twice the measure of angle B. What did we multiply by 2? X. So that B is x. What else do we know about these 2 angles? Their sum, so angle A plus angle B is 119 degrees. So what can I do? Substitute this in. And solve. And I'm going to let y'all do that quietly. What did y'all get for x? 38. Does anybody in here not get 38? Louder? What'd you say? Okay, and what's angle A going to be? How do I figure out angle A? Substitute. What is 2 times 38 plus 5? I don't know the answer, so y'all are going to have to tell me. And what's angle B going to be? Just 38 because it's x. Alright. What questions do I have? You have a question? You have a question? No? Okay. What? Somebody told me to do like the little driving cart. Yeah, that's what they told me to do, but I don't know how to do all that.
Miss, I can't do it for you, Miss. Because they won't open the focus if there was like so many.
Would it really? Is there science behind that? If my boss comes in and sees subway surface at the bottom, are they going to? Alright, I want you, this is like a puzzle. I want you to figure out as much as you can. I'm going to walk around and y'all can ask me questions if you have them. Go!
What the hell is that?
Hey, language.
Yeah, what do we know about vertical angles?
I'm sorry.
What are vertical angles? We learned this on Wednesday.
Oh, I know. It's all actually easy.
Why you got packets?
What does this do?
Freaking vacuum milk. And now just answer the questions. Is this HW?
On the count. Somebody said miss something and I didn't hear it.
Didn't you give us some notes?
No, those are different.
Alright. What do I know? This is a 90-degree angle. What else do I know? Okay, so hold on. I heard two different things. I'm going to address both of them. First thing is somebody said EDF is also 90. Why is this also 90? Vertical angles. And then somebody said GDF is 30. So what do I know?
That means that 90 plus 30 plus...
Okay, we're going to get to that in a second. Yes. If this is 30, what else is 30? ADB or BDA, however you want to say it.
AD and F is 180.
ADF, do y'all agree this whole side right here is 180?
Yeah. So that means DCG is 60.
GDC is 60. And if GDC is 60, what else do I know?
You also know that ED and C is also 180.
Yes, and that we could do that a bunch of times. So this is also 60. So now can you answer these questions?
But how did you get 30?
Because it's right across from it. They're going to be the same right across.
They're the same.
Yep, so if this is 60, what's right across from that? Yep. Yep. And so then answer the questions. What is FDC?
So easy. Oh, but you gotta do
What is ADG? Ooh, what's ADG? You gotta add 90 plus 60 is 150. Now, right here, look up. You have the potential to get all of these right, but minus 7.
If you don't put the default.
Did you remember your degrees?
I actually did this.
EDF is 90. EDG look up to check your answers, please, when you're done. We're good? What questions do I have? Questions? Okay. I would like you to go to your notebook. If you haven't glued in this week, we need to glue in. You are gluing this page into 15. Glue this into page 15. Can I change this? Everybody have it?
Yeah. If you have 5 minutes left.
You have what?
5 minutes left.
Yeah. I've already passed out your homework. When is that homework due? Wednesday. Everybody right at the top. Due Wednesday. When was yesterday's homework due? Wednesday. So what we're going to do on Wednesday, or if you turn it in early, you are going to staple them both together, and you are going to turn them in together. You can turn them in early, but Wednesday.
Okay, Archie.
Oh, y'all didn't get it?
I had a dream so big and I jumped so
Did everybody get the homework? Angelica, did y'all get the homework?
Oh.
Y'all did? Okay. I missed y'all's row. Marcelo. Chill out.
What did I do?
Were you banging on it?
No, those are me. That actually wasn't me. Take it. Don't break it.